On February 19, Somali's Petroleum Minister Abdirashid Ahmed announced the signing of 7 production sharing agreement with Coastline Exploration. But within hours of that deal, the Somali government nullified it. But it wasn't just nullified by anyone, but the president himself. So who is this company, and what are they after? Previously, Coastline Exploration was known as Soma Oil and Gas, a company founded in 2013 in London by very powerful people. Key figures include Michael Howard, the face of the company. He is also a very well-known politician in the United Kingdom. He was once the leader of the opposition from November 2003 to December 2005. There's also Hassan Ali Khair, the former Prime Minister of Somalia Republic, who also served as Soma Oil and Gas Director in Africa. But no matter how powerful and influential these men are, they couldn't really take what they truly desired, which was these oil blocks located here. You see, these blocks were once contested by Kenya during the maritime dispute, a case which Kenya lost in the International Justice Court. Soma Oil, now Coastline Exploration, tried hastening the process by trying to make a deal with the current petroleum minister. But such actions was halted by a presidential decree signed on August 8 of 2021. There are many reasons why the president did this. First and foremost, he vividly recalls what occurred in 2014, when individuals struck an agreement with Kenya that jeopardized Somalia's maritime sovereignty, a case which his administration finally put to rest. He also felt it was necessary that a deal such as this doesn't happen during an election time, or a time where key institutions are in transition. It has been over a month since the whole fiasco, but nobody has been held accountable. Coastline Exploration is still in the race for Somalia oil. We also have a minister who has not been fired, a president who did not exercise his full power, and a prime minister whose words only spoke on paper but not in action.